the Smart Free. Instead of relying on traditional chains and gears, the Smart Free features a generative crank unit that seamlessly converts human power into electricity, driving the motor and recharging the battery. No chain, no derailleur, no maintenance. Just a smooth, intuitive ride that adapts to the user's needs, even allowing for electronic back pedal braking. The Smart Free represents a shift towards more inclusive solutions for active mobility. CIXI Spur's technology, originally developed for e-bikes and active vehicles, now extends its benefits to handbikes, offering a tailor-made experience that blends comfort, performance, and accessibility. With the Smart Free, Stricker and CIXI are proving that innovation is not just about rethinking technology, it's about transforming lives.